Hi, so my name is Kezia Andjanie from International Relations 2020, and in this video I will explain about Gorontalo local food. Let's get into it. First, I want to explain to you about Gorontalo. Gorontalo is a province in the Sulawesi island of Indonesia. The city was a part of North Sulawesi province until it became a separate province in December 2000. Gorontalo is nicknamed the Port of Medina or Serambi Medina because the city has been the center for the spread of Islam in eastern Indonesia, even going back to the pre-colonial era. There are many versions of the real meaning behind Gorontalo. Some believe it originated from the word Hulon Talangi, which means flooded land, while others believe it came from the word Huluolotola, which means breeding ground for corkfish or ikan gabus. Gorontalo itself is known for having many beaches and lakes. It definitely affects the local food in the province, where fish became the main protein source for the local people. Now, I will introduce you to two local foods from Gorontalo that use fish. The first one is Binte Biluhuta, a soup that uses corn and fish or prawn. Binte means corn, while Biluhuta means being poured. Gorontalo is known for its massive production of corn, even being dubbed as Indonesia's corn granary. Because of that, the local people take advantage of their corn production to make Binte Biluhuta. The food mainly uses cakalang fufu or smoked cakalang and waxy corn that, when it's cooked, the textures of the food becomes thick. It's similar to when you add cornstarch. Supposedly, this food is created with the purpose of unifying the kingdom of Gorontalo and Limboto that were often in conflict with each other. The meaning behind it is that the kernels that have been cut off are able to be assembled into this one dish, just like the two kingdoms. And in 2016, Binte was chosen by the government as an intangible cultural heritage. Next, I will show the cooking process of Binte Biluhuta. In a pot, boil water and corn until the corn is cooked. Next, add shredded smoked cakalang and the spices. We use chili, shallot, and tomato for the spices. Then add basil and scallions. For the serving, you can add fried onions, sambal, and lime juice. You may find that other recipes include adding shredded coconut on top of Binte Biluhuta, but it's totally optional. The food that my mom and I cook doesn't use shredded coconut. The soup has a mixture of sweet, spicy, and sour, which gives it a unique taste. The second one is Bilendango. This food is made of fish that is seasoned on the inside and then fried. It mainly uses freshwater fish such as corkfish or carpfish. The local people used to eat bilendango at sahur during Ramadan. The cooking process is rather unique because the fish is fried using banana leaves. Before that, the fish is rubbed with salt and lime juice to remove the fish smell and soak it for 30 minutes. After that, place the inside part of the fish on the banana leaf, add cooking oil, and fry the fish. Next, flip the fish to fry the outside part. Put sambal on top of the fish and then fry it again. Cover the pan and cook on low heat until the meat changes color. Remove from heat and bilendango is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.